Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix full Gmail storage problem. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Gmail. I'm going to go to the Google Apps and open the Gmail. Once the Gmail has been opened, we can go to the Gmail setting. Click on the setting icon. Then you have to select See All Settings. Okay, and here you have to go to the inbox menu and choose the unimportant categories such as promotion, social, and updates. And after that, we're going to go to the search mail menu and then type in category. And you have to input the category you have just selected. I'm going to select promotion categories. Okay. And then these are the email from the promotions category, and I don't need them all, so I'm going to remove them from my email to free up my Gmail storage. We can click on select all, and right after we click on select all, 50 conversation on this page are selected and we have to delete it. If this promotion email are still there, you can do the same step, just select them all and delete. Okay, you can keep selecting and deleting until it's fully removed from your Gmail. And then I'm going to change the category. I'm going to change it to social. Okay, and I'm going to select all and delete all. Alright guys, and that's all the way to fix full Gmail storage problem. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.